Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make custom GIFs for social media using Canva. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course we have done right here. And then the next thing I'm going to show you how you can get started. There are two ways to get started. All right. First is to start creating your designs from scratch by clicking on this create a design button at the top right corner of your screen. Or you can head over to the left corner of your screen and click on template to browse a wide array of options and of templates that can help facilitate your creative processes. So I'm just going to click on templates. That's the option we're going to use for this tutorial. And the next thing we're going to have to do is to be very sincere with Canva so they can give a specific design that suits what we want to create. So this is the templates window, and as you can see, it's opening up. Once it comes right on, then we'll be able to use the search bar at the top corner of this window. Ensure you have a very stable internet connection, because that's going to help your design, it's going to make your design process much easier. So right here in the templates window, all we need to do is to get to the top corner of the screen where you have search thousands of templates, and we're now going to get into what we have to do for me. Like, type in what we want, GIF. So one quick GIFs, right? GIF, right, for social media. All right. Okay, so you have to be very sincere with Canva so that it can give you what you want. So here we have a wide array of templates like GIFs for social media templates. So they're all loading up, and once they do, we can now choose the one that suits our fancy. All right, so these magic designs, of course, they're labeled pro, meaning you have to try the Canva Pro. You have to subscribe to Canva by clicking on just try Canva Pro. And of course, other designs here that have the Crown Pro thing, it means they are not free, but we're using the free version, so we just have to look for something that is free. All right, so we can get a GIF ready. So okay, so just going down looking for something that is easy. Let's go. I don't think I'm seeing what I want. Okay. So these are options. Let's see if I have anyone that is free. There were like almost something that I paid for. Just played her up. Oh, it's something really nice. Okay. This not really helping with this GIFs. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna have to head over to create a design because I can't really see what I want. So I'm gonna click on create a design. show media GIFs. Like creating from the media. Right here. So just coming right down, this is the editing suite. All right, so I like to call this editing studio. So all the elements are still loading up. Let's see what the design is like. Got it. So let me play to see what the design is like. All right, so this is animated social media. It's like a whiteboard thing. So let's add elements. So I can just go ahead to this left corner and click on elements. And now there are in elements, you're going to see frame, logo, circle. You click on this arrow, you're going to see a lot of things here. All right, so I'm just going to head over here and I'm going to type in the chat for all. Okay. So here I'm kind of finding some options here. So I'm just going to click on see all and see what they have. These are labeled pro and it's not really given. Okay, so here are others that are free. So not all of them are like so. So what exactly do we want? Let's say this. I'm gonna drag and drop. Or just click on that and then it just appears. All right, so I just clicked on it and it appeared. So here you have this GIF right here, or this GIF right here, and I can now reduce the size of this because I actually want to make it custom. Okay, and fit this to center, and I want to add a text. Oh, so let me just click on these notes options. The notes will be displayed in presenter view. Thank God. It's Friday. Right? So that goes for me.